Let's make Captain Morgan's Frozen Zombie. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Captain Morgan's Frozen Zombie, but for one. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Captain Morgan Spiced Rum has a zombie recipe on their website, and it is a blended zombie, and it is made for 6. While I am not a quitter, it's not every night that I want to drink 6 zombies all by myself. Even with my wife's help, that's a lot of zombie. In addition, my blender is too small, so I cannot fit this whole recipe in it anyway. So since I have to cut it anyway, might as well cut it back down to just 1. So that's what we're going to do today. A note on the rum. This is Captain Morgan's zombie recipe. If you're going to make their frozen zombie recipe, you really gotta have to be using their original spiced rum. If you want to use another rum in this drink, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the Captain Morgan frozen zombie. Instead of blending this drink, we are going to shake, and I'm going to start with my simple syrup. 1 ounce of homemade simple syrup. I prefer homemade. I do make my own recipes here on the channel if you'd like to check it out. The link will be down below. 1 ounce is going to be 30 milliliters. And that's pretty darn close. 1 ounce of passion fruit juice. And I do not juice my own passion fruit. I buy it in the store. Link will be down below if you want to buy some online. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 2/3 of an ounce of lime juice. 2/3 of an ounce is 20 milliliters. It's not often I use that measurement. I said lime juice, right? I hope so. And finally, Captain Morgan Spiced Rum, 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. Oh, got that on there crooked. I'm going to let this sit for just a moment, and I'm going to crush some ice. I'll be right back. Ice crushed, I'm going to dump a bunch of this into the shaker. And I'm going to give it a quick shake. Done. I'm now going to open pour this into my highball or Collins glass. Oh, a little too much ice. I'll put that in a sidecar or something. And straw. I was going to say garnish, but garnish is now. I probably should garnish first, but a little bit of cinnamon. Just enough. And Angostura bitters. They don't tell you how much Angostura bitters. I'm going to do 2 dashes. And then spill it all over everywhere, and then do 1 for the gnome. So I did 3. And there you have it, the frozen zombie from Captain Morgan. Made for 1. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, do you like frozen cocktails? If so, what is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.